On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't post story or upload problem. So in this video, I am sure that is gonna be helping you a lot, so please keep watching until the end. So first step you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just open the settings on your phone like this. Now right here you will find many options. Just go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and then search for Instagram between all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see right here, click on it. Now go here to the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and especially the camera and the storage. Go back, click on the storage again here, and now click on clear data. Go back, click on force stop, and now go back to the settings, go to wireless and networks, and enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and do the same thing with the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it again. That's it guys. Now restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.